Hello and welcome to my video today of how to install Google Chrome on Linux. Um, so you go on your Mozilla Firefox and search Google Chrome download. You get the Google Chrome, click on download Chrome, and then you make sure you have the right distribution selected. So I'm on a Debian based, or this will also work for Ubuntu as well. So select which distro. If you're not sure, you can Google which one you have. So click accept, install, save the file, and now the file will download. Now to install it, you have to open up a terminal. So if you go in the search bar and search terminal, and then open up a terminal, any terminal emulator will do. So now if you type in cd and then capital D downloads, the capitalization is very important in Linux. Linux is very picky, and this is the default subsystem. So after you change your directory, you type in ls, and then as you can see, Google Chrome is there. So you type in dpkg for the package installer, -I to install, and then you type Google dash, and then hit tab, and it should complete. If it's the unique one, you might have to type it in even further, or you can always highlight it, right click and click copy, and then right click and paste it in. So after you do that, you hit enter. Oh, see, as it says, requested operation requires super user privileges. So if you ever see something like that, that means you have to go all the way to the start and type in sudo, all in lowercase, and then make sure there's a space between that and then your command, and then you hit enter, and it'll ask you for your password. When you type it in, it will not show anything, and then it will install, and it is as simple as that. So it will take a minute. So now if I go Google Chrome, there it is. So if I search Google, there you go. Okay, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. Hope you have a lovely day, and thank you for watching.